Part 3 of the unexpected visitor where we get for UK. Visitor wey come wake Percy up 7 a.m. in the morning. Normally, we supposed to leave them, make hungry, shake their leg. But with the fear of God in me, I say, make I finish them with food. Hello, guys. Join me. Let's make hot party jollof fries for my unexpected visitors. This one are the fresh tomatoes and the bell pepper when I want you to take go the jollof fries. And this one are the onions. You know the thing when they pay me for inside? This visitor, they can't form. If you tell them, say, me, they'll be like, say, they don't want you to. I go need to drag them, push them like I better pass my neighbor generator. Anyway, I don't clean my pot, then carry this my smoked turkey and my soft chicken, pour them inside pot. Then go carry this ginger, onions and garlic, pour them inside my blender, blend and blendable. When it comes to cooking protein, I never add ginger and garlic, John. I forget it never complete. Much more of saying a jollof rice now won't cook. I don't carry all this my mixture of ingredients, pour them on top because we need to spicy the meat very, very well. Why not? As now be the base of the jollof rice. Now I don't carry my odogu Niger blender come out. This one are all the hard ones like the bell pepper and onions. I go blend them separate first. Almost when they don't smooth, then I can carry the tomatoes, pour them on top, make everything for blend evenly. But remember, I know they like pepper tomatoes when they over blend like saying a paste. For those when they always they ask for the link of this blender, I'll be leaving it on my first comment on Facebook. Click on it to get one for yourself if you want. I don't go check the meat, all the water don't pack come out. Carry this fresh oil, pour them inside my pot, then put onions, come they stir and fry and see the onions don't they cry for help. Then I go carry this my fresh tomatoes when I don't blend with the bell pepper and onions, then pour them on top gradually because at this point now fight you go follow you the fight. Ekpasha go just a splash for your body. Now I don't pour them inside, come on my meat for fire. Then I can carry the milk water, soft filter and come out before I can carry nyama pour them inside pot or in the name of say the fine stock they go for inside chicken. Now I don't fry the tomatoes finish. This one are the tin tomatoes. I pour and put. If you fry the tin tomatoes first. This one are my chicken. Don't they for separate fire they cook for there like they fry and friable. I don't carry this my odogun rice come out then pour hot water put. Use and wash and tin the water don't turn clear. If I make my jollof rice, I know they like parboil the rice. Now only when I do my fried rice I parboil the rice. Now I don't carry all ingredients when I still use to steam the meat. I pour them inside the tomatoes, mix and then come carry the sauce. I been at the juicy water, pour them inside. As it don't cook up, I carry my rice, pour them on top. At this point, you know they feed the jollof rice already. I can carry all the rice, pour them on top, then do the turning and turnable. Cover and make it cook up. As it don't cook up, the water don't be like say it dry. No need to add any other water join and stir them very well. Then go add this my foil paper. Because no pack water put at this point. It never done, but water don't dry. But no add any other water. Cover them with foil paper. As jollof rice no need plenty water to cook. At this point, I don't carry my food processor come. See, if you want do any woman a favor, buy things we go make life easy for her for kitchen because this Nigel processor, it saved my life. You see that 100 years of slicing and sliceable. This food processor go make it easy for you. Now we don't turn back to my jollof rice. Open now. Oh God, at this point, the nose don't full. Just as say, never make peke the way I want time. You see all those party jollof rice when be say go enter your teeth. Based on say not done well. As they talk and say now they go pass. My sister not be me and you they chop down one. My jollof rice must done well. Make it make peke for mouth. Now I don't carry all my orishi put. After I don't open her for the last time, I carry my butter and onions put to give an extra flavor. I can't do better stirring. Then cover them back. Make the onions cook 50%. While the butter don't circulate everywhere. To keep the rice separately. And to also make the rice shiny and shineable. At this point, I don't serve food for table. And they come visit or make the control. And so that the younger, it done ready. Aye, my sister, you can cook. The wife, they say, oh, my sister-in-law, you are the best. Best waiting. Just to say that food na control for you and I don't get food chop on a side D. Make I know. Which one be my sister-in-law, you are the best. Now when they say my sister, you are the other one, they say my wife, you are the best. They use they praise me all in the name of say they work for them. Anyway, I like Ansha. I praising they give power. Just the watch.
It's a happy Sunday. My wife has delivered again. I told you guys, come to my house. You said no. So my sweet wife, you're the best.
Story.
God bless you guys who will marry me.
The
So I'm toasting this wine to the love of my life. To only my wife, for anybody who is there yet. You could like toast for your own. Let go toast for your own. Honey, I got you forever.
I got you.
We're going to cheers though, so I'm going to wait to.
Cheers to good life.
It's not alcoholic. It's a fine wine.
All right.
Cheers to more money in this family. I will me say, Yeah, it's signed, honorable.